Good evening and welcome. You're watching Center Stage and I'm Rahul Kamal. Over the last several weeks, there have been multiple instances that show that our kids are not safe inside their classrooms. The shocking proof of kids being subjected to brutal punishments at the hands of teachers keeps surfacing. Now a video has surfaced from Mumbai showing a teacher mercilessly thrashing a differently abled child inside the classroom of a special school.
The screams that you hear are of a differently abled child. A defenseless child being mercilessly thrashed. Cold to the chilling screams, the teacher carries on. The video was shot from another building by an activist who couldn't bear the heart-rending wails of the young child.
ये सीरियस मामला बनता है और बच्चे को मारा है, ऐसा मुख बधिर है, तो 100% इसके ऊपर केस रजिस्टर होना जरूरी है और टीचर के ऊपर भी एक्शन लेना बहुत जरूरी है.
The school management, however, remained deaf to the cries for help. It was only when the parents took up the matter that the teacher was sacked. But then no FIR was filed. Peace was brokered to preserve the school's reputation.
Action has been taken, teacher को निकाला गया है, so all those action has been taken. And then sir has assured that children will be safe in the school and जो भी हमने बोला है, he has agreed to all our demands. So now the matter has been sorted out completely.
By no chance the teacher who has been removed will be taken back. That is a management decision. We are for the children and will always be. We have sat down and we have cleared the matter. The child is existing in the school. Somebody has played dirty against the school. That's all I have to say.
The police too first refused to act, but then filed a case maybe for perfunctory effect.
पुलिस अभी ऑफेंस रजिस्टर करी है अंडर सेक्शन 23 जुवेनाइल जस्टिस एक्ट रेड विथ 323 इंडियन पेनल कोड और उसका इन्वेस्टिगेशन हमारी लेडी ऑफिसर है API सरिता भोसले वो करने वाली है.
But this is not an isolated incident. India's unsafe classrooms keep throwing up such horrors, including reports of tutors hired from homes like this one in Kolkata recently crossing all limits of brutality. But the system reacts only to outrage, and then quickly it all fades. In Mumbai, the parents of the school say the matter is settled and police so far have shown little initiative to ensure that there is no repeat. But the facts point to the perils of Chalta Hai when it comes to safety of our children. And sacking one teacher or booking her will not make our children safe. With Amrita Shedge in Mumbai, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.
Actor Saif Ali Khan is caught in a massive controversy and this time it's his Padma Award that is at stake. An RTI activist claims that Saif should be stripped of his award because he has criminal cases against him. The government of India has not just taken note of the complaint but is examining the case. Does Saif really deserve to lose the honour or is he paying the price of being famous?
It may be a big royal embarrassment for actor Saif Ali Khan, that of losing the prestigious Padma Award given to him in 2010. The demand of stripping Saif of his Padma Award has been made by RTI activist S.C. Agarwal, who has filed a complaint with the Home Ministry. Saif also faces criminal charges in Rajasthan for allegedly hunting the black buck deer, a protected species, while on a film shoot in 1998. This, coupled with the assault charges, have prompted the government to not just take note of Agarwal's complaint, but also to examine his demand. But is the actor being targeted because he's a celebrity, or is he a victim of political vendetta? Bureau Report, Headlines Today.
An RTI activist demands that Saif Ali Khan's Padma Award be taken back. Is this vendetta against Saif? Why is one actor being targeted? The Ministry of Home Affairs says the matter is under examination. Joining us on the center stage face-off at this time, we've got Subhash Agarwal, one of India's best-known RTI activists. Also with us at this time from Mumbai is Kunal Kohli, well-known film director, producer. He directed Saif in Hum Tum. I want to go across first to Mr. Agarwal. Now, you are a serial RTI activist. In your latest attack, you want Saif Ali Khan's Padma honours to be taken back. Why would you want that Saif lose his honour, sir?
See, there is a process of clearing the names recommended by awards committee by the intelligence agencies, and these intelligence agencies never clear such names which are somewhat controversial. And I can give you example.
No, but his name was cleared by the Intelligence Bureau, which is how he got the Padma Award in the first place.
Yes, this is why the process of not only working of intelligence agencies is under question mark, but also selection procedure is under question mark. I am going to just tell you that only in this year, 2014, name of one Mr. Sushant Das Gupta was declared to be a Padma awardee, but when the reports against him reached to the Home Ministry, he was not confirmed with the Padma award.
No, but Saif's name was scrutinized, reports were prepared, he's been given the honour. Now why are you trying for Saif's award to be taken back?
Just a minute, please. Sushant Das Gupta's name was also cleared by the intelligence agency.
But wasn't announced.
It was announced.
It was announced in that instance also.
Yes.
So now
and now it was held back. And this is not only case of Saif Ali Khan. I have no personal issue with anybody. I received a complaint against some Mr. Arun Firodia, who was willful bank defaulter. I cross-checked by web search and found that he was indeed a willful bank defaulter. I filed a petition against him also. This is not anybody individual.
So you're saying this is not a personal attack against Saif Ali Khan?
This is not
this
at all
is a larger attempt to clean up the Padma system and ensure that people who are tainted don't get the highest honours in this country. I've heard you out. I'm coming back to you. I want to bring in Kunal Kohli, because the film industry and several people we've been speaking to, friends and associates of Saif Ali Khan, are quite perturbed with the manner in which this entire controversy is blown out of proportion. They're saying it's unfair for Saif's awards to be taken back, or for the government to even examine this matter. Now, you've heard, Kunal, what Subhash Agarwal says. He says it's not against Saif personally. He's tainted, he's charge-sheeted, there's a serious case against him. Anybody who has a taint cannot have a Padma Award. How do you respond, Kunal?
Well, I feel there's a bigger problem here, and the bigger problem is that we are listening to every voice that is coming up with every opinion on everything. That is what the problem is. It's ridiculous. So everyone who has an opinion, we have to waste government time and our time and your time and airwave time to listen to everyone who has an opinion on everything. So this gentleman has a problem that Saif has a Padma Bhushan or a Padma Shri. Now, so let him have that problem. It has been decided by the government. Why are we giving him so much importance? Who is he? Just because he's a serial PIL filer, so we have to give him time and importance. Wow. The problem is that in today's time of information, technology, social network, everyone has a voice. But that doesn't mean that every voice is correct or that every voice needs to be heard. There needs to be some sort of filtering that needs to happen. Seriously, Rahul, I mean, why are you and me even having this discussion on TV right now? I think is a waste of time.
No, it isn't a waste of time, because the Ministry of Home Affairs says the matter is under examination. And they're saying that since he's charged under section 325, which is assault, 34, which is common intention of the Indian Penal Code, therefore his award must be taken back. That's what Subhash Agarwal is saying, and that's a matter that's being examined by the MHA. Kunal.
It is 1 minute. Now first he has to be proved that what he did, first that has to be proved. First those charges have to be proved. Okay. Maybe that was self-defense. Maybe that was to protect the modesty of the people who were there with him. We don't know the entire case. That case has not been solved as yet. So everyone who is accused of something, you'll keep stripping them of all the awards they've got. We're making a mockery of the whole system to begin with then. First, his charges haven't been proved.
Been proven. He's charge-sheeted, but let a court decide he's guilty.
This is not my question. I perfectly agree with Mr. Kunal.
Just a minute. The court has done.
Let him say.
Let the court decide. Can I just finish what I'm saying, please?
Yes, yes.
Let the court decide first whether the man is guilty or not guilty. Before a man is proved guilty or not guilty, people are standing up and saying, strip him of this, strip him of this, do this, do this. I mean, what are we? Come on. Come on, I'm sure there are better things to do and more serious PIL cases to file, Mr. Agarwal. There are so many things that are wrong. There's so many potholes in Bombay. Please go and file cases against all those people that have created so many potholes. Rather than thinking about when the man will be proved guilty, then you will strip him of his award. Oh, come on.
Mr. Agarwal,
Why don't you file
the
a
courts
case on all the
haven't
people
found him
for all the
guilty
potholes?
yet.
No.
You're holding him guilty.
I am not.
virtually by the fact that he's being charged.
Holding anybody guilty. I am just talking about system. I perfectly agree with Mr. Kunal that everyone has a right to say on a matter. Mr. Kunal has a right to say on the matter. And my only point of view is that there is a process of intelligence authority.
Which was followed in this case, sir. Are you suggesting that Saif Ali Khan got his award without an intelligence agency giving him a clean sheet? Because surely that couldn't have happened.
This is a question mark on
Rahul, I have
working of intelligence agencies. I have referred to example of Mr. Sushant Das Gupta and Mr. Arun Firodia also. Their names were also cleared by intelligence agencies.
Did you file a case on them?
This is a fault in a selection
Kunal is asking, did you file cases against them?
Yes,
did you file an RTI against
I can.
No, you did, because you get publicity talking about Saif Ali Khan.
He's calling you a publicity hound.
Talking about Saif Ali Khan.
This is not publicity. Of
course it's publicity.
No, this is not.
Why can't you
I
wait
have
for the
shared
courts
the
to first find him
information
guilty
with the
before
media.
the case?
And this is how can you? Why did you invite
So
me
you're
or
trying
Mr.
to tell
Kunal?
me every
You must
single
not have
Padma Shri
taken this point on your channel.
No, because it's absolutely newsworthy. It would be very rare.
So then why are you blaming
someone
me for
like Saif Ali Khan for a Padma to be taken away from him? It's almost unprecedented in that sense.
Then why are you blaming me for publicity? You are just doing it for
This is
raising
news.
You are doing this item for raising your TRP rating.
Oh, absolutely not. This is a bona fide news story, which is the reason why it's on center stage.
This is what
You're
I am
saying you have the right to put this the RTI. You have the right.
This is the submission,
to seek
not this is a response received by me
now.
on submissions.
You live in
And to the charge that
Now,
I have
can I ask Mr.
targeted
Agarwal a
only Saif Ali Khan, you can have the papers. This is against Arun Firodia.
So you're saying there are others also.
And
Kunal wants to
Mr.
make a quick point. Yes, Kunal.
There are 1 minute. No. So my point is very simple. Okay, there are 100 issues for which you can file a PIL. You know, I've given you just one issue. Find me 1 kilometer of road in Bombay which doesn't have potholes. I think that is more of a PIL than trying to strip an actor of an award that he's won fair and square, and for a case that he's not even been proved guilty as yet by the courts. So if, when and but, instead of getting into cases that are if, when and but, and when he is proved guilty, then we'll talk about that, then we'll have that discussion. But right now the potholes are a mess in the city. Ganpati is coming up. How do we bring the Ganpati
You made that
procession
point.
back to our
The
houses
Shiv
when the
Sena
potholes are
is
so bad?
backing the
Isn't
demand
that
made
more-
by Subhash Agarwal wholeheartedly. Prem Shukla is the editor of Dopaher Samna, represents the voice of the Shiv Sena and is joining us. You're hearing Kunal Kohli make a very impassioned plea, saying there are so many problems in the world. Why are politicians targeting Saif Ali Khan? Is he a victim of his celebrity status? Are there not other issues which are more important, more
He's
connected
not
with
even
what
been
people
proved guilty.
care?
After he's proved guilty, then let's
And
talk
after,
about
and that's
it.
the other
I think
point,
Mr. Ku-
that right
I
now
think-
there's a charge sheet.
I
Let
think
the
Mr.
charge sheet be proven in a court of law, Prem Shukla, then politicians must rise. Why this preemptive attack against Saif?
I think only Kunal Shah is only watching the news items of Bollywood celebrities. He must not be watching the news and the RTI applications.
Let's not
finding
get
Mr.
personal.
Subhash Agarwal
Let's
on different
stick
cases.
to your point, sir.
No, I'm not getting
Why
personal.
making
I'm not
personal
getting
attack?
personal. You are allowing this person to bully Mr. Agarwal. He was discrediting Mr. Agarwal.
I'm not
And I
bullying.
think he must treat the Subhash Agarwal has contributed to the right to information.
So
world.
I want to bring
He
you
has a
back
great
to our
contribution
debate.
in the right to
Why not
information.
wait for Saif Ali Khan to be found guilty, if at all, in the eyes of a court of law, as opposed to
No.
presuming that just because he's been charge sheeted, he's
Yeah.
guilty?
That can be a view, but the parameter decided by for the Padma awardee is that there should not be any criminal cases. If you have to get a simple government service in the government sector, you should have no criminal cases.
Sir, I must
pending
correct
against
you
in
on
any
facts.
court.
Saif Ali Khan got his Padma in 2010. The Kolaba hotel incident that Mr. Agarwal has a problem with happened in 2012. These matters were considered, dealt with, reports were generated. The government of the day, in its wisdom, despite the attack, decided to go ahead and confer the Padma on Saif Ali Khan.
But there
are earlier cases also against Mr. Saif Ali Khan.
Which were also considered, Mr. Agarwal. Those charges were also considered.
This is what I am saying.
The Black Buck shooting incident was also considered.
No, that is what I am saying. And Mr. Prem Shukla is talking bilkul in a justified manner. Because Mr. Kunal did not notice my other RTI petitions. He is saying that only this, talking about only this RTI petition. I filed RTI petitions regarding Madam Pratibha Patil and so many others. And he has never noted that. And what Mr. Shukla,
but that is very good. I'm saying that's a very good thing that you're doing. But I'm sure, sir,
that intelligence agencies have to consider even the.
But this was done. Why are you assuming all that has changed?
I am not assuming.
Prem Shukla, all that has changed realistically is that we moved from a Congress government to a BJP government.
No, I am
is Saif Ali Khan a victim of political vendetta? That because there's a closer association with the previous government, you get
what Mr. Subhas Agarwal will get
now
out of it.
Now you're trying to take that away because the government has changed and you're partners in this government, Mr. Prem Shukla?
No, just a minute.
Mr. Agarwal has no political affiliation for your kind information. Mr. Agarwal is not affiliated with any political party. And
after
no
being announced, because intelligence authorities wrongly cleared his name. And this is what I am coming to the root cause of problem. There is a fault in selection process.
No, but correct it from here on. Why take, there will be a royal embarrassment for Saif Ali Khan if his award is taken back, right?
I have also written about.
I have do this with retrospective effect.
I have also written about.
But there's a difference. No, 1 second, Prem Shukla, you're messed up on facts. Chatwal's award was taken back before he accepted his award. Now, once the award has been accepted, 4 years have lapsed. Now, suddenly, this entire matter comes to light. Is that not highly unfair to Saif Ali Khan? Mr. Prem Shukla?
There is I think MHA has started a process of investigation. They are not asked to please give back your award to us. If there is a pending case, if there is any, I think there is lacuna in the system, that should be investigated. That is the work of MHA.
No, but I'm also asking the political question, Mr. Shukla. Because the government has changed, because his family was considered to be closer to the Congress, is now being targeted, because the Shiv Sena has been targeting Saif Ali Khan for many years now.
This is not a political vendetta case. This is not a political vendetta because Subhas Agarwal's petition has come now to the MHA's desk. So they are now inquiring it.
Kunal Kohli, do you think Saif is a victim of his celebrity status? Do you think this is a case of political vendetta against him?
I have no idea about the political inclinations of any family or what what the political parties want to do or what their agendas are. So I can't comment on that. I wouldn't like to comment on that because I'm not aware of what affiliations people have or don't have. I'm not aware of that. So I can't comment on that.
No, but do you think he's a victim of his celebrity status? There are other cases of people who have various forms of taint.
Well, I think
got
by
the Padma
and large
and nobody
people,
really wanted to take those away.
Yes, I feel by and large the film industry is targeted unfairly, which is not the right thing to do. And I'm sure there are many more serious cases Mr. Agarwal can find rather than go after Saif's one award. There are so many other cases and Mr. Agarwal does file some good cases, I'm sure, and must be filing some wonderful cases. And it's very good that there are people like that in society who are taking up causes for things that are important in society. But I personally don't think this is a cause that is so important and earth-shattering that we should take back an actor's award that he's got. I'm 100% sure there are many more things that Mr. Agarwal can find.
Mr. Agarwal.
Yes, Mr. Kunal.
And there are many more things that are going wrong.
I have been advocating for reforms in selection process from the root level. And it was only a later part. And unfortunately, MHA is not considering those suggestions. You know, what is
Why do you think they're considering this particular suggestion and disregarding others?
This MHA can tell only. How can I tell you? I wrote about Mr. Arun Firodia also. They did not reply.
But they've replied on this instance.
They replied.
But you know, that by itself is very suspicious. Prem Shukla, the fact that the NDA government responds on the issue of Saif Ali Khan but doesn't respond on the other RTIs. Now here's the reality. Saif Ali Khan's mother, Sharmila Tagore, was made the censor board chief by the UPA. The family is perceived to have a proximity. When you don't respond on other RTIs but respond instantaneously to this particular RTI, it will make people wonder whether this is a political witch hunt against Saif or not.
No, they must respond.
But Rahul, here I'd just like to say something.
Also, this is expected from the government.
Kunal wants to make a quick point.
Yeah,
and
but
then
Rahul, I don't think. Yeah, I don't think Saif's family has any major political, ideological differences with any party, or favors one party or doesn't favor another party. I don't think that. I mean, I've never heard those statements made by anyone in their family.
In any case,
They've
it is
been very
immaterial.
neutral people.
In any case,
So-
it is immaterial. Everyone is allowed to
Yeah,
have
but they've
political
anyway been
inclinations,
very
and
neutral,
awards
so I can't
are
see-
not given by a political party.
Yeah, but
They are
I
given
can't
by
see
the
why
Indian state.
any political party would go after them.
And if awards
Yeah,
have
but
been
I don't see
conferred,
any
then it
reason
would
why
be
the
highly
BJP would
unfair
go
and
after Saif's
completely
family.
wrong for
I
that
don't think
award to
that's
be
a
taken
valid
away.
thing to say.
The point that Subhash Agarwal makes is an important one, that there needs to be more transparency in the manner in which Padma Awards are
There are no
conferred.
minutes
That's
of meeting
fine.
kept for
That
the awards.
is a
That
valid
nobody
point.
disagrees with.
That is
and
a
I
point
also
that you need
inquired
to
who
fight
That is a
for,
valid point.
and
Nobody
that's a
agrees
point
with
that everyone will wholeheartedly support.
Nobody
But
disagrees
the
with
MHA
that.
cannot be
Exactly.
cannot be skewed in the manner in which it responds, ignoring one
It should
RTI
modify the
or
and rectify the
choosing not
process.
to respond on certain questions they don't want to respond, and
Yes.
responding on the
It
Saif Ali
should-
Khan question.
MHA should
Once the
rectify
Indian
and modify the
state has
procedure
given
at the
an
root
award,
level.
it will be completely wrong and unfair for that award to be taken back. That being said, the manner in which these awards are given, that process needs to be improved. Kunal Kohli, Mr. Subhash Agarwal and Prem Shukla for joining us on the Centre Stage Face Off this evening. Thank you very much.